Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and once again, I'm here with Allison with Prestige Custom Builders, and we talk to Landon all the time and talk about what he does, and we've talked about the new hardware or app they use to keep customers involved with the build so they know exactly what's happening when. But today I wanted to talk to Allison about the steps that are taken, but not only that, how she interacts with the customers, because we all know Allison's the first point of contact. When you email in or you call in, a lot of times you talk to Allison, or if you email in, she's the one that first sets up the initial meetings and everything. But once the job gets going, you're all over it with the customers too, as far as picking out certain things. Let's talk about the steps. Landon's got the house built. Y'all signed the contract. What are the next steps on what you do to make the job go smoothly?
Well, at that point, I'm getting in contact with the client so we can get the permit started. There's a lot of paperwork on the front end of things on getting our permitting done with the county. So once that's done, we have the permit in place and we're ready to start putting in those pilings. It goes back over to Landon. Whenever it's time for, picking out selections, paint color, appliances, approval on cabinet styles, anything like that, I'm making sure that those conversations are flowing and that the ball doesn't get dropped while Landon's in the field. I'm still making sure the customer's staying on point with getting those selections done and those decisions made so that we can keep their timeline, their expectation of the timeline, on point. So
you also work with interior designers. Let's talk a little bit about that, on how that helps the customer.
So if a customer wants an interior designer, if they don't have one, we have a recommendation or recommendations of some that we can steer them to. But a lot of times those interior designers, they'll work with the customer directly on their selections. They'll send them to us on exactly what needs to be ordered. At that point, we handle it from there. We have a designer right now on a project where she just checks in with us to make sure that things are on schedule so that they know where they are on their end for project completion. And then, of course, we know where we are on the construction side of things.
So a lot of times you've taken people maybe through one of your homes that you build, and they know about what it's going to look like. They may pull a little bit from this home and a little bit from this home and a little bit from this home on colors. Once they tell you the color, then y'all order that, and that's what's used on the home.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
What about countertops? How's that process work? Because, man, there's a lot of different options for marble, and making sure you get the right slab, the slab they picked out. How's that work?
So when we're bidding a project, obviously there's a number that's put into place, and we do talk to them about what their wants are when we are bidding the project. Somebody may be dead set on wanting granite. A lot of times we put quartz in the homes because it's a very budget-friendly item, but still very nice looking. But if there's something that goes above and beyond that budget number, obviously we work with the customer on that and making sure that they know that what they selected does go above that budget number. But once they select something, we've been to granite yards where the customer has selected something and within 30 days that slab was gone. So we try to be fairly quick on getting that ordered, paid for, put on hold for them so that they have that exact slab of what they're wanting.
So even if they're a month and a half ahead of time, those slabs, if they pick out a specific slab, that can be held so that they use that. It'll give them the right design they're looking for.
Yes.
What about tile? That's a whole different ball game.
Oh man, tile is so challenging because when you're at these stores, you just see a little sample. I mean, and that's kind of hard to envision how to put it all together. You and I have talked about in the past just the use of AI on putting things together. We've done that. Also, I tell people all the time, do not be afraid to go in these stores and ask ask for a couple of pieces to put together so you can see a bigger picture. Also, if you just cannot see it in your head, maybe this is where you start working with an interior designer to help pick out those things. Of course, we help guide along the way, but yeah, I mean, that's kind of how we work with them on that.
Are interior designers, can they use them for certain phases of the design, or do they usually go in and do the whole home?
I'm sure everybody is different. I mean, they have a job to do, just
Right.
like we do. I would anticipate that they would want to do the whole house,
Right,
and not just
so
select
everything
pieces.
blends together.
Right, right.
Okay. As you can see, this is a family operation. And not only is Landon building the home and taking care of the stuff in the field, but Allison does a lot behind the scenes. In fact, I don't think there's a conversation that Landon and I have that he says, well, Allison's taking care of this, or Allison's doing this, or I know she's going to be here on this day, because you do a lot of running too, picking up and getting samples and stuff. And that's something about Prestige that I've always remembered, is the family-owned business and the commitment to quality. Y'all, in fact, you have a billboard out front on the highway with the family talking about the commitment to quality. And I haven't seen a home yet that I don't walk in that I'm like, holy cow, this is, and I can remember when he did the first high ceiling in the kitchen with the floating cabinets and stuff. It's just unbelievable. And so whether you're looking for a remodel or a custom home, Prestige Custom Builders is who you need to talk to down here in Crystal Beach, Texas. Allison, thanks for joining us today and giving us a little insight on what you do to make the job go, because I know Landon's always running 40 mile an hour in 5 different directions.
Yes.
So anyway, we're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.